second debate between DAP and MCA would be held on Sunday, the 8th of July at the Sunway Convention Centre. The President of MCA, Dr. Chua, and the DAP Secretary General, Lim Guan Eng, have confirmed their acceptance of our invitation to this debate. This debate will continue the series of public policy discussions that we in ASLI have been promoting for a long time. This is important because I think there is a greater need to focus on public policy issues that are important to the whole country and to different communities. I think for politics in Malaysia to develop to a greater level, we need to be able to debate on issues, to be able to debate on public policy matters, rather than just being emotional or just criticizing personalities. So I think it is in this light that we are very pleased to present this debate. We call it the Debate 2.0, DAP and MCA, whose policies benefit the country more. And this debate will cover a whole range of public policy issues that the two parties can bring up. And these would include issues such as how there can be greater national unity. You can look at education policy. The human capital development is so very important for our country. We can debate economic policies, how we can create shared prosperity and ensure that there is sustainable growth. We can debate on healthcare issues because there is the rising cost of healthcare and there is concern as to whether there's going to be a national healthcare system in the country, so there will be debate on that. We can debate on public welfare, social development, as well as poverty issues. How do we look after the urban poor as well as the bottom 40% of society?
What's the rationale behind the choosing of the topic?
We think this is a relevant topic when we are coming to an election, and coming to an election, the public needs to evaluate which party has better policies in benefit community and country. And it's a good opportunity for the two debaters to put forward their own party policies and then to be able to present it and let the people decide which party has better policies. About half an hour to take questions from a panel. We are looking at appointing a panel of 3 persons who would either be leading academics, professors, or editors of newspapers. And then we will discuss the selection of the panelists together with both representatives of Dr. Chua and Lim Guan Eng, so that the panelists will be acceptable to both sides. But they will be either academics or newspaper editors. After which there would be also Q&A from the public. In this regard, we are still working out the best system of having public participation in the debate, because from the last debate that we had, there have been accusations that there is biasness and there is unfair treatment. So we are going to look at how we can do this on a fairer basis, whether the questions will have to be submitted earlier, and then again, maybe the representatives of Dr. Chua and Lim can select some questions from the public, and then the questions will be asked to the 2 debaters, or it can be questions submitted on a written card to be posed to the debaters, rather than having people rushing to the microphone to ask a question. So we're looking at the best format that will ensure that the debate is a useful intellectual exercise and that it is not one that is caught up with too much political emotionalism.